Hey, welcome guys. This is a C Sharp tutorial. It's Armin again here, and this is part 3. And in this chapter, we want to talk about user input and operators. And in the next one, we want to see. Let's check it out. This is the last one. We want now to check how we get a user input, and the general syntax is like this: console dot uh, to write something we used write line, this one, okay. But we have something like this one, read line, or read key. You see, it has some differences, and we are going to talk about them. I'm going to use read line. You see, like this. uh, Let me do it. With this type line of code, I get a user input, but let me do like this: console dot write line. As you see, for write we have also write line, console dot write line, write. We have write and write line, okay. And you can expect this is to read lines, and this is also to read write, okay. And I say here read line, enter name, say here string username is equal to that, like this. Oh. Okay, let's see what I get if I'm running this application. Okay, say enter your name, blah blah blah. You see, your username is blah blah. This is a general way to ask or to get user input, okay. As you saw there, let me again run this application, but here I want to type number. Username is 2. You see, if I'm saying now here int, and I get, that compile error, red line, because we have to cast it, and you have to consider that. And you can about casting and convert, we talked really the last chapter, and that's really clear. And now I want to talk about operators. What is operator here? Let me show you a stack of code. What is this? Plus, this is operator. If you use it between two integers, it's going to act as mathematical things. You see that, okay. When we talk about operators, we have different type of operators. What are they? Plus, mean, division, multiplication, modulo. This is modulo, 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 modulo. These are all operators here. You see, these are operators, and you see them here: plus, division, and those things, okay. But what I want to talk about now, and this is like other programming languages. If you want to sharp operators. Let's see, I want to show you something. Here, operators. You see here, arithmetic operators. Yeah, increment, decrement, modulo. And if you want to see what's, for example, about this, if you want to increment something, you use that. And if I'm clicking now here to try it, you see here. And these are operators. Okay, arithmetic operator. Okay, we have assignment operators here also. Is equal to. Okay, addition assignment. It say x is equal to x plus 5 is 50. Okay, instead of this, I can say here x is equal to x plus 5, like this. You know, it's shorter way. It's exact like Java. Exact like Java. And you see here is explained all of things here. Operators. Comparison operators. It say equal to. When you want to say, for example, if the name is equal to, you are not using one equal sign and just two. You say definitely is equal to, is not equal to, greater, less than, or equal, greater, or equal, less. And here these are logical operators. It say both sides should be true. First say x should be less than 5, and it say like this: if x is shorter than 5 and x is shorter than 10, both sides should be true, and after that execute something for me. But here it say or one of these conditions should be true, or x should be smaller than 5 or should be smaller than 4. One of those two is true and it's not. Okay, this is operators. Okay, this is what I want you to see. These are operators, and there is nothing to show you here, and it's just say, yeah, this is just operators and how to use them. If you want more info, just go there. That's for this one. These were operators in C#, and I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.